Welcome back, everyone. So this is going to be Kwadbox 2018 July, and I will be entitling this box Last Pack. Alright, stay tuned and let's see what's in there. Alright, looks like we've got some stickers. Oh yeah, we've got stickers. You know we like some stickers. So we got a Stingy stickers here. They look pretty cool. So yep, some more stickers. Alright, and let's see our props here. Looks like we've got some HQ props. Let's see here. This is going to be the let's see here if I can zoom in. Come on. It is the 5 by 4.5 V1S. Got blue ones here. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3 sets. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like we've got a digital multimeter. Always can use one of them. I currently do not have a spare, so that is great. So now I've got a spare. That's a good tool to have. Alright, now we've got, let's see what else we got in this box. Looks like we've got a Stinger Form 30% off of a 5 or 6 inch Stingy box. Expires 8/31/18, so you got 30 days. It does have a code on there, so yeah, that's nice. I don't know if I'll be doing that. I would like a spring, but yeah. Alright, what else do we got here? Looks like we've got a little USB tool here. Always can use one of these. It does have the blue on the USB there, so it should be USB 3.0. Yep. We've got a Type-C connector here. So basically this is a little thing so you can plug. You've got both sides for your phone. You've got your, looks like we've got a micro USB right there attached to it, so got to figure out how we get that out. Micro USB, full size USB, and USB Type-C. Then you have a SD card reader, and you can plug in a USB drive there. So this is basically really good for your phone if you ever want to transfer files or view flash drives or anything on your flash drives or SD cards through your phone, or you can use it on your computer too. So that's pretty nice. That's actually a really nice tool. Alright, now let's see here. We've got the Stingy shirt. So that is a nice shirt right there. So that is our emblem there. Little cardboard, little cardboard dust. So yep, black shirt. Alright, so that looks nice. Alright, now for the, looks like one more thing in the boost. Alright, looks like we've got some Maverick ESCs, 30 amp, BL Heli 32, 2 to 6 S LiPo. Wow, them do look pretty small. I didn't think they were going to be that small, but yeah, they are pretty nice. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Don't tell me I got 3 just like them other guys did. Oh, nope. Looks like I did get my 4th one into the box, so that's great. Yeah, these are some nice looking ESCs. Hopefully they all work. I know I was watching Drone Mesh, and he did some noise testing. He said they wasn't that great for noise test. I mean, they were pretty noisy ESCs. But if you have some good motors, you should be okay. And then plus also the price point should be around $11, he was saying. So yeah, I mean, I mean, it's a good value for your money box. But yeah, so once again, good job, Kwadbox. Really hoping for a 4-1, but the rumor I hear about the DYS ESC, it's probably good that we didn't get that one. So yeah, great job, Kwadbox. But I got some sad news here. Yeah, I just can't sustain the subscription cost on these boxes anymore, and this most likely will be my last Kwadbox for a little while. I'm hoping to eventually come back, but yeah, don't think that I can continue to afford it monthly. So thanks a lot for all the great boxes, Kwadbox, and well, see you later. Bye.
Make the ground shake.